So you've launched your WordPress website, but you want to add some additional functionality to your site, but you have no coding ability. Well, with WordPress plugins, that's not a problem. Let's find out how.
What's up, people? Todd Wilson again from Webmo Dev Studios, and as you can see here, we're in the WordPress dashboard, and we're going to go to plugins and select add new. Now we're going to search for a plugin in the WordPress repository by typing in the name, and what we're going to do is look for contact form 7, which is a very popular contact form plugin that you can get from the WordPress repository. We're going to select install now, and then we're going to select activate. Alright, now I'm going to close some of this here, and as you can see, the contact form 7 appears in the list of installed plugins. We're going to go to contact, which now appears on our WordPress menu, and we're going to go to contact forms, and as you can see, there's a default form that is automatically generated when you install the plugin. And here we have the short code. This is what you're going to copy and paste into whatever page you want this contact form to appear in. So now we're going to go to pages, and then we're going to go to our contact us page and select edit, and just paste the short code right into the editor. Select update, and when that's finished, we're going to go to view page and see what the form looks like. And there you have it. We have our new contact form from our new plugin, contact form 7. Of course, you can customize this any way you want, but right now we're just discussing how to install the plugin, and as you can see, it was very easy. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.